What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel to another video. So I uploaded for you guys last night. Life has been so freaking crazy. We got those parts painted and they look super good. I'm so happy with how they turned out, but we have had a lot of issues with our neighbors and working outside, just the location that we're in. So be sure to check Ryan's video out on all of the information. But we did buy a shop last night. It was super last minute. We were looking at it a couple months ago. We really liked it and it came up last night and we're kind of out of options, so we went with it. And today I'm gonna kind of vlog. We're gonna move some stuff over there, get ready to do my rocker panels, cab corners there, because we're just gonna have so much more room until we tear back into the truck. But just so you guys know, everything has been out of our hands. It's not us being lazy or not, it's not us not wanting to work on the truck. We've just been waiting for parts and kind of dealing with some neighbor issues, as you guys know. So just, I don't know, we'll just vlog, just roll with it. what's going on, you guys? It is the next day. Last night we picked up Ryan's friend's trailer to load my truck up, and that is what we're about to go do. We're gonna try and get this truck started and load it up onto the trailer. You guys don't understand how painful it is to not be able to drive this truck. If you guys build or like build a truck or are building a truck, I'm sure you get it, but like, I just want to drive this dang thing. It sounds so good. Doesn't look so good, but she still sounds good. So that's what matters, what's on the inside. So if you guys have been watching for a while, I detailed this truck when I got it, and obviously it was so pointless because it has just become my little storage unit of parts. So I gotta get some of this cleaned up before we take it on the trailer because it's just a mess and I don't want to deal with it at the shop. And I have to find a way to cover all of the things that need covered. So it's gonna be an interesting day today. We've got the truck all strapped down and we're gonna hope for the best with the inside situation going on. I think I've pretty much got everything kind of like taped down. I zip tied our wires over there and right here so they just weren't flying everywhere. You guys, we are not looking good so far. Oopsies, it will not latch, so.
Do we bring, there's tape?
Yeah, that door just flew open in traffic, so we got it to, we had to move the latch a little bit.
It just, I think, so like a door latch, if it clips, like once you put it in, it like hooks around the little thing. It was just already hooked and didn't go in, so that's what happened.
So, we fixed it. And taped those rear windows down so they didn't fly open. Did you check my side? Did you see if I taped it correctly?
No, it's fine.
Alright, so we're gonna try this again.
I don't think you did either, but
I just taped it like this way.
Well, yeah. Door, you taped it behind the door.
Yeah, towards like my rear.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay, so we're gonna try this again. Thank you so much for helping me load it up and go through all this craziness with me. Alright, what's going on, you guys? So I was just finishing up editing the video and realized that my microphone was messed up while filming my little outro for you guys. So I finished up detailing the Tahoe. That was for our giveaway winner. Ryan made a video on that if you guys want to check it out. Thank you all so much for the support. Just wanted to detail that Tahoe for him so he can pick it up nice and shiny and clean. It turned out so freaking good. I don't think we got to detail it 100% like since we got it, and the doors like are so shiny, the leather looks so good, the carpets, everything looks so good. And besides that, my 6.0 did make its way into the shop. That is because our rocker panels finally showed up, and I did unbox those at the shop, but like I said, my microphone was all messed up and it was just not good footage, so I'll kind of put a little clip in so you guys can see. But we're about to tackle those tomorrow morning. I think we're gonna get up super early and I'll be filming all of that for you guys, so definitely stay tuned for that. That 6.0, that's like our last little hump in the road, and that will be on our way to finishing it up, getting it painted, lifted, wheels and tires. Like, this is our last and final little annoying step I think that we have so far. I don't know. I say that now, but we'll cross our fingers and hope for the very, very best with those. So I'll be filming all of that for you guys. Make sure your post notification bells are on and you're subscribed so you do not miss out. That's going to be a really, really fun process. I'm so excited just to learn and all of that. So before I leave, I want to say thank you guys so much for all of your support, unconditional support through it all. This has been a wild ride, and it's only going to get crazier, and I just want to say thank you so much. This is my first year doing it, and all of the support is just so overwhelming, so thank you guys again. And before you leave, if you feel like it, drop a comment down below what your guys' 2021 goal or resolution is. Nothing like too personal, just, I don't know, something you want in 2021, just let me know. I always try my best to go through and read your guys' comments, so yeah, I just thought it would be maybe a little inspiring going into the new year. So with that being said, I hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas, and I hope you all have a happy and safe new year, and I'm looking forward to the next video with you guys. This build is really coming to a wrap, and I just want to say thank you again for all of your guys' support, and I guess I will see you next year. Anyway, have a happy new year, guys, and I'll see you all next time.